Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Another very interesting and very powerful video. Today I'll talk about once again the CPA marketing. I will be taking an example of CPA grip. Okay, watch the video till the end. I'll be explaining you each and every step at which offer to promote, where to promote, and I'll tell you both free and paid methods. Okay, I will be explaining you both free and paid methods. So watch all the steps, and if you focus and implement the strategy as I'm about to share, definitely you will get a lot of leads. All right, so I'm taking an example of CPA grip. If you have a Max Bounty account or CPA lead account or Adwork Media, that is also good. Okay, so once you have login, over here we need to click over here offer tool. Over here we need to click over here my offers, and we are not going to promote right now USA offers. We will be focusing on the United Kingdom offers. Okay, because there is not too much competition as compared to the United States. So we'll just select United Kingdom and we'll get all the offers which are converting very well on the United Kingdom country. See, do you see the green sign? That means these two offers are converting very well. So we will just focus on those offers which are actually converting very well, so that we don't spend our money so that we don't waste our money. Okay, so this is the mobile offer. If we select mobile phone while setting up a campaign, see, this is the offer which is converting very well. $1.83, get a Grex gift card. This is on mobile phone, it is converting very well. And this is on desktop, which is converting very well. Enter for an iPhone 14. Okay, so these two offers we will be focusing on. All right, so where we are going to promote, we will be using two websites. First is free method. Free methods which I am going to tell you is, this is the website Gumtree.com. This is the website Gumtree.com. This website receives more than 30 million UK traffic, alone UK traffic, in fact more than that. Okay, this website has got a huge potential. Everyone from UK is on this website. See, you can see the pound sign. Do you see the pound sign? So that means people from all over from UK are posting on this website, and this website receives tremendous amount of traffic from tier 1 country, and no one is taking advantage of the CPA marketing. All right, see, 35 pound, 15 pound, like this. They are just selling the stuff for these pounds. All right, so what we are going to do, we'll just sign up on this website. We'll just register over here and we will just post an ad. We will post an ad on this website. All right, you can post the ad under the communities, that will be free of cost. But if you post an ad under the other section, then they would charge you 5 to 10 pounds. All right, and depending on the categories, and your ad will be live for 30 days. So you'll just register over here, click on post ad, and what you are going to write, you will write this: get a chance to win iPhone 14, because we are promoting the iPhone 14 offer from CPA grip. You get a chance to win iPhone 14. As a part of the promotion, we are giving away iPhone 14 to the first 50 customers. It's all free to participate. Winners will be notified through email. So click here to participate. Like this, 3-4 catchy lines, cut to cut, no lengthy lines so that it distract customers. Nothing, just cut to cut line and telling someone the information. Okay, like this you need to write the lines, and you need to post an ad on this website Gumtree.com. See, trust me, this website receives lot of traffic from UK. If you focus on this single website, no one can stop you in earning money from CPA marketing. Okay, if you do it with the correct angle and if you stay consistent, there are very high chances of getting leads and sales on this website alone. Okay, and if you still don't know how to set up campaign on this website, I can't do ad on this website. I just want a simple campaign setup so that just I run and sit back and relax. And the second website is known as propellerads.com. This is the website propellerads.com. This is very good for the mobile offers, mobile phone offers. A lot of times you must have received notification on your mobile phone, win this, win that, and you instantly click on your mobile phone. You instantly click on that message which you receive on your mobile phone. The same way it works. Okay, this website has got a millions impression in one day. This website receives million impression in one day. So take advantage of this website. It's very free to sign up. I have used a lot of times this website. All the traffic is genuine traffic, no bot traffic. They have the fraud prevention. I have seen only the genuine visitors, not the bot traffic at all. See, you reach 1 billion users with top performing ad formats. So you need to select the push notification. Okay, you need to select the push notification and create a campaign on this website. And it has got a huge potential. For just $1 you will be receiving 1,000 people. You will just click on sign up. Once you sign up, just launch a campaign. It's very easy to target. You just need to fill the form where to target, USA, UK, and you need to just shorten the link, your affiliate link, and just write it in the website. That's it. The way you target on Facebook, it is the same way you target on Propeller ads. Okay, so take advantage of these two websites, Gumtree.com and Propeller ads. Okay, see, take action. If you don't take action, nothing is going to happen. If you're looking for low hanging fruit, nothing will work if you don't take action at all. Alright, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, it's all about number games. The more traffic you have, the more chances of getting leads and sales. Okay, this is for the UK offers, and if you want to promote USA offers, then I would recommend you to go for the Max Bounty account. Okay, this is the Max Bounty account. Once you click on search, you will get this page. Click over here, United States in the geography, and click here, apply search. When you click here, you will get all the options. Gift card offers, Grammarly offers, quiz, consumer credit, your survey, e-survey. You will get a lot of offers, but you don't need to focus on these offers which has got a low EPC. Always focus the offers which has more than 20 EPC. See, these are the offers. Financially family health, one page submit, that's it. You will be getting paid 0.80 per lead, but it is very easy to convert. It's 0.24 is the EPC, so you need to focus these offers only. Okay, 0.24, 0.26, 0.27, 0.28, like this. Okay, see, it's all about the traffic. See, imagine if you promote 10 offers and if you promote on Propeller ads, the kind of traffic you will be getting is tremendous. For every $1, you will be getting 1,000 people. So if you get 10% of the total traffic, imagine how many leads you can get. See, just promote 10 offers. You should have a little bit of budget if you want to run on Propeller ads. Alright, so you can just select $10 per day and you can promote 10 offers like this. See, if you are getting confused, there's a link in the description. I have shown step by step how to promote CPA offers on Gumtree, Propeller ads, and all the hidden secret websites. Alright, for this video, for the Max Bounty US offers, you can promote on Locanto.com. This is the free website. And you can come to this website, Locanto.com, and promote on these locations: Chicago, Dallas, Denver, Miami, New York. These are all the states in USA. You can promote on these websites if you are looking for free offers, if you are looking for free traffic. Okay, sign up on this website and post free ad. You need to write the same thing as it is shown over here. As a part of the promotion, we are giving away iPhone 14 to the first 50 customers. Like this, the same line you need to write and post an ad on this website. Okay, and second traffic I already told you is the Propeller ads. So take action. If you don't take action, nothing is going to happen at all. Okay, for every expert was once a beginner, and if you are still struggling, if you don't understand anything at all how this all works, then there's a link in the description. As I always say, I have shown step by step practical training course, no time pass, no theory, nothing. And believe me, if you implement the strategy for a week, definitely you will get tremendous result. Alright, so check out the link in the description. Thank you very much. If you have any issue, if you have any questions, just there's a link in the description of my Instagram. You can just direct message me there. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Peace.